Good evening, everyone. Treasure Troller here on the ride to work Monday evening through the militant state of Michigan, FEMA Region 5. We are on the highways of northern Lower Michigan. So tonight I was just remembering about the MMA fight, or fights that they had on I believe it was ESPN on Saturday night. The preliminaries were on cable, then they had their pay-per-view. It was a little bit of a surreal event because there were no spectators in the excuse me, in the arena. It was almost dead silence in there, and I'm just not sure if I really enjoyed that environment. I mean, it sort of gave the any place, anywhere, anytime mantra. That's about as close as you can get to it. So anyways, as a normal fan, as a fan of the sport, I'm not sure it's something that I would really care to see more of. I'm sure the diehard MMA fans really enjoyed it. I'm just not sure I need to hear every bone on bone, flesh on flesh smack. I think when you mute a lot of the normal sounds, it's a bit more enjoyable to watch. It's almost like football. The only thing that you really hear for the most part are the really big contacts. But to show you what a fan I might enjoy watching a football game like that, but without any of the crowd. That might be something interesting for me to watch. But the problem when you do that is you really kind of take it down to the essence of the sport, and it just really does show you how brutal that sport can be. I can remember watching I don't even remember what the show was called, the reality show where they brought the fighters into a house and they all lived together, and they were divided up into two teams. And I watched that show and that was enjoyable. But even for the fights, they would bring in their teammates, and their teammates would be cheering for them. So there was some excitement in the air. But this was just dead silence. And I'm just not sure that, maybe a cheap pay-per-view where the fans of the real diehard fans would sign up for to watch. I'm just not sure that a normal fan or someone that's really watching it for the first time, I'm just not sure that's the way you want to go with the sport. But that's just me. So anyways, this is Treasure Troller saying aloha and good day.